Hello and welcome to the Fork You channel. Today I'm going to be cooking a dish called Pasta Marinara. Yep, that's how we pronounce it here in Australia. In Italy it's called a frutti di mare, which basically means it's the fruits of the sea, and you combine it with pasta. A very simple dish to make. You use fettuccine, you use a seafood mix, some garlic, some onion, bit of parsley, parmesan cheese, and a couple of tablespoons of tomato. So with that, it will take you longer to cook the pasta in boiling water than it does to actually cook this dish in this pan. So first things first, just going to add a dab of butter, just because I love butter. Butter tastes good with everything. Okay, next thing, got a quarter of a diced onion, really finely diced. Keep that moving. Next I've got 2 cloves of garlic that are crushed. Yes, keep that moving. And I've also got a dash of white wine. Yep, don't tell anyone, but yep, you won't taste the wine, it's just deglazing the pan. Into this I'm throwing roughly about 150 grams, 200 grams of seafood mix. You can get this at your local shopping centre, or you can go to a sort of seafood market and just ask for a seafood mix, and you'll get a beautiful array of different cuts of seafood. Into this, as you can see, I've thrown in 3 tablespoons of tomato, bit of salt, bit of pepper. In the background I have got a handful of pasta boiling in some water, and that's basically how you want to make this dish. You just want that pasta in time, ready with the seafood to go, because if you overcook the seafood it starts to go just a bit tough. Just before there you saw me add just a dash of cream, just like the colour, like the flavour to it. Yep, it's got a nice richness to this dish. And here we go, Mr. Fettuccine is ready. You want that al dente, mixing that around. Beautiful. And to this I'm going to get, as I always say, a warm plate. Bang, out of the oven, it's warm. Then I'm just going to throw this all together just on a plate. Yes, you can make it a little bit more decorative if you want to be a bit fancy, but you know, just throwing some seafood bits and pieces over it. And I'll also be using parmesan cheese, because I just love parmesan cheese. Pasta and parmesan cheese, the 2 P's, they just go together. And I've got a little bit of chopped up parsley, gives it a nice colour, nice flavour. Got some fresh cold pressed olive oil, again that'll give it a nice flavour as well. And last but not least, parmesan cheese. And like I say, if someone says you can't cook this, then send them to my Fork You channel.